say mas off.
Audio.
Wait, show me the money. Did you break it?
It opened.
Huh?
It opened, but it broke sideways.
The other side, huh?
Not yet. Other side, not yet.
Okay, good. That's perfect. We need to split open the charger. For this, we're going to use the pliers to force it to open. Just follow what I'm doing in this video. There.
I think it's open now.
Mm.
Just need to open it with a screwdriver or something.
This one. Okay. Yeah. Now we can force it with screwdriver. Huh?
Yeah. Might break, boss. Open this side.
Okay. Don't pull this out. Huh? Oh, nice. Perfect. Ah! Yeah. It's broken, Green. Here's the guy who helped me, and this is the owner. We need to cut the damaged cable as much as possible. Cut it close to the adapter. The two wires inside are fused inside this plastic here, so we need to cut this as well. As you can see, the cables are infused in it, so we will need the drill to drill it and remove the cables inside. And these two remaining cables here will be connected to this. So the negative is the one which is the outside, the one without the cover, and the wire inside in the middle is the positive. I now gave this little plastic to my assistant, to John, and I got a 3.5 drill bit, and I asked him to, as you can see, he has already made a progress on drilling it and removing the cable from it. Little by little, we use this drill to drill a hole where we will be inserting the same cable later. So now we're going to cut this damaged cable. And then we will strip the tip and split it into two parts. So this is the plastic with the hole now. We can now insert the cable at the back and twist it around so it can go all the way through this plastic. Now we will need to strip the tip of these two remaining wires in the adapter. Don't cut it too long, so just a small portion of it will be sufficient. So as you can see here, I'm applying bits of flux, and this flux will help me with the soldering of lead on these tips, so we can join those cables later. So just a small amount of lead will do. You know, soldering it is better than just joining them later with and twisting them together. The soldering will be far more stronger, and it will last longer than just by twisting the wires together. Now that I'm done soldering the other the positive part of the wire. I'm now soldering the negative part of the wires. Now I'm going to test for any shorts. If there is any shortage in here, my tester will beep. But so far, as you can see, there was no shortage in the cable, so I think we did a good job of soldering the adapter, the wires to the adapter. As a double protection, I'm applying a glue gun to protect the exposed wire in the adapter. So as you can see, the glue gun is very visible. This is to protect the wires if they got accidentally pulled hard by the user. So right now I'm going to use the B-7000 glue. This is a clear adhesive which are used for phones to glue back this adapter together. So just apply a small amount of this glue to the edges, and you should be fine with it after. After applying the B-7000 glue, I'm now using a rubber band to hold them firmly in place. Now we're done. It's working again. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.